Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to create a sales dashboard using Python. In this video, we have taken the data of Excel, which we are going to convert that Excel data into responsible dashboard. In this video, we have created a pie charts and bar charts, which the data will looks more perfect and understandable and readable, which is very attractive to look the responsible dashboard. In this video, all the data in the Excel sheet, it's all readable by the Python code. Right now, uh, further no more delay, let's get into the video. This is the Excel data which we are going to use and which we are going to convert this data into a dashboard. And by using all these information, we are going to convert this data into the dashboard. Right? I've already created a folder like sales dashboard.py, a Python folder, and I also inserted a data. Now, whether the Python version is there or let's check. Python 3 version. Yeah, it's there. And pip versions, all the packages of the pip version. Yeah, it is there. Now I will list all the packages which I have installed. Right? Yeah. These are all the packages which I have installed in my pip library. Yeah, in this library we are going to use pandas and Streamlit and another one. Yeah, Plotly Express. By using all these three libraries, we are going to create a dashboard. If the libraries are not installed in your system, you can use these commands to install the pandas and Streamlit by using this command. Right? That's yeah. Now I'm going to import all my libraries as import pandas and Streamlit and Plotly Express. And now I'm going to page layout with page title, sales dashboard, and its layout is white. And next, I'm going to print my data of Excel, which is already inserted. I have inserted, and now I'm going to print my data by using Python execution. Now I'm going to print. Okay, yeah, print df. Yes, it's missing. Right? Yeah, it's running. Now I'm going to print by using this data into Streamlit by in the local host. Okay, then, to run this Streamlit run, and we have to give the location. Yes, in the local host it's running. Right, fine. And now, yes, that is going good. Now I'm going to create a sidebar for the header, right? Which is on city of sidebar. We'll select all the cities. We are going to create in the sidebar. All options df, city, unique queue, right? And default df city is unique queue. Yes, fine. And we are going to also creating with the name gender also, right? Copy and yeah, paste. Yes, gender. Yeah, fine. Now we'll run this command. Here are cells. I have forgotten to put the commas. Yes, it's good. Okay, the name is yeah, unique username. Hi. Yes, it's running good. Yes, it's fine. It's working. Now I will give a query to select the option from the data frame. City equals to city. Yes. Gender equals to gender. Uh, DO section yes. Data frame. Yes. LXDPs. Yeah, it's working. It's good. Now I create a title for the dashboard or for dashboard, right? Title bar chart in the strength bar charts for the figure of beside the bar, beside the sales dashboard. Markdown, it's working, right? It's great. It's working. To create a KPI section It will count all the data in the values. Total sales in df selections of totals dot sum. Df selection total total dot sum. It's fine. Average rating around df selection rating one. Yeah, fine. Star rating low. Yeah, stars. Average rating. That's equal. Average rating shows the transaction on audio selection, which it sells from the selections. It will count all the selected by. It will do the actual count. Now we'll look at the columns for way to display. We'll take three columns: left column, middle column, and right column. Right, as three dot columns of three. Yeah, and next for the left column, we will use a subheader total sales. Total sales, yes, yes. Total sales. Perfect. And for the middle column, we are going to give the subheader name as average rating. This dot subheader will look at the let's see, average star rating. Yeah, perfect. And the right column, the name subheader will give average sales per transaction. Yes, average sales per transaction. Perfect. And we'll execute this by right. We'll run this program. So yeah, so set into the middle of the double quotes, right? That all. Now it's perfect. So still it's fine. It's not good. We'll check the errors. Uh, run this. Yes, it's perfect. The average sales by transaction, but it is not giving accurate answer. Okay, so the reason. Yeah, okay. The braces are different, right? Okay, now it's perfect. Will count. Yeah, yes. Yeah, now it's giving the actual count, right? It's perfect now. We'll erase this data from the top, right? Yeah, I'll use it. Yeah, it will disappear. Now the sales dashboard is looking good. The accurate calculations like total sales, average rating, average sales per transaction. Right now, we'll create a bar graph for the product lines from the Excel sheet. We'll count from Excel sales by product line. Yeah, now we're going to create a bar, the sales product line, DF selections. Product line sum total, yeah, sort value the top, yes. Now we'll figure a plot. It says X bar graph, X equals to total, Y is equals to just lines, Perfect. Mm, good. We'll give a name says by product line. We'll color with this value. And the length says by product line. Perfect. And we'll template it totally white. Good. Now we'll update layout. It's a plot which color with RGB S00. Good. And expression the pots. Okay. Now we'll print the figure. What it says. Yeah, it's good. It's pretty good, right? It's fine. Yeah, the bar graph is giving accurate bar. Let's go. Yes. Next, we'll create a graph with hourly sales. To come from the hourly sales, go by it will be done. Some total. That's fine. So next, we'll figure the plot. Figure hourly sales by hour, sales by hour index. Y equals to total, title equals to sales by hour. Pretty good. Color. It's we map with the color. Same color. Yes. Brand sales by product line. It's perfect. And now yeah, can be totally white. It's good. Okay, so we'll print this. So before going to the plan, we have to import data in plan. Yes, I have imported, and let's run this program. And yeah, yeah, the service is very good. It's running. It's good, right? It's fine. The bar is very clear and showing accurate time. Okay, it's good. It's very fine. It's very accurate. Yeah, it's showing very good. Yeah, the bar is very good. Now we'll create a pie chart by using same hourly sales. We'll create a pie chart. It will calculate the hourly sales. Okay, dot pie we expect sales by hour, value total, and we'll give name sales by hour. Spot. Okay, right. Title equals sales by sales distribution by hour. Yeah, fine. Next template is got revived completely. Next we'll figure and update traces text position inside and the text info present percent plus level. Fine. The figure will print a figure. Right? Yeah. All is plot right. Yeah. You see is it working? Yeah, is it work? It's work. Right. It's pretty good. And the pie chart is very fine. It's very accurate and it is labeled. The colors are labeled. Yeah. And the service very cool and it's running very pretty nice. Now we'll display all these three charts in same single column. left column, middle column, and right column. Here we go. The left column for the bar chart of figure product sales. Here, Ravi is not funny. Yeah, I forgot to put three. Yeah, it's funny. Good. And the right column for the product sales for hourly sales dot by and the figure hourly sales. Yeah, three columns are ready, and we'll clear these all these uh, figure plots for bar chart and pie chart. We have cleared all these, and now we are going to print all these charts in a single line. Is it working? Yeah, why this chart is not coming here? In column, is anything else wrong? We get to the code. Yeah, we have forgotten to change right. Yeah, now it's good. Now it will work. Yeah, now it's perfect. And this is the dashboard which we have converted all from the Excel data into the sales dashboard, which is very accurate and which is readable and which is very attractive, and all the values are good, and the data is very fine. Thank you guys.